Okay guys, I decided to make a really short clip on removing the C-clips so you can take the axles out on the 2000 Mustang. Minus the Saleen, but it worked just as well for your GT. So apparently I got stuck because what you have to do is take the axle and push it in far enough to remove the C-clip. And the C-clip is this is part of the axle here. The C-clip is stuck, or not stuck as you say, but it's right behind there. It sits in a groove. So what the problem was is that the axle is not moving out far enough. It should move roughly around here, right past the retainer here, and then you'll be able to see the C-clip. And the C-clip is not under pressure at all. You should be able to get a magnet and just pull it right out. So here's the problem. The axle wasn't moving in far enough because if you have ABS, there's your sensor right here. And then guess what? As I move, if I try to push this in and out, you can tell how the ABS sensor just smashes up against, the axle smashes up against the ABS sensor. So once I remove that, bam, it should be easy enough. So now if your ABS sensor is stuck, you can do is you can use a little bit of brake cleaner, clean it, then spray a little bit of PP Blaster in there. Then back here, what I've been doing is very gently grab a screwdriver and just kind of wiggle it a little bit. So I'll pry up against it just enough to move it a little bit, and then I come around. Let's see if we can get a better angle. There we go. And I come around here and I just kind of wedge the screwdriver in there and then twist. There we go. And just do that back and forth. And just, you're not manhandling this, you're just wiggling it, since it's really hard to get a grip on it with your hands. And just continue to do so until it comes out completely. All right, so I'm gonna try and see if this is enough room to get the C-clips to show, and so I can grab it with the magnet. Let's give it a shot. All right, that was plenty. So you can tell the C-clip's already in view. And let's see if I can fish it out with my magnet. I think it's facing a little bit the other way, so it's not helping. There we go. Oh, no. There we go. Come on. Trying to avoid losing it. I need two hands for this. This is a little tricky. Oh, there we go. Just needed the right angle on that. So now I should be able to slide the axle right out.